Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand new video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to monetize your Instagram account or to get monetization from Reels. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow the simple steps. So basically, Instagram offers many programs of monetization that you can get from creation of content. And basically for that, you will be needing to have a professional account in Instagram. That means the first thing would be is to have a professional account. So basically, in your settings, you will need to switch your personal account to professional. And to do so, you will need just to go down and search for account privacy, and then you will find uh, your account status. And basically, from that, you will be able to start creating or switching your account to be a professional one. And as you can see now, I already have for professionals sections, and from here I can because I switched this account to be a professional. So from here or from creator tools, as you can see, you will find already some monetization status. And after that, you will need just to click here. And as you can see, there are three uh, you will need first to have your policy. You make sure that you're not violating any uh, monetization policy uh, for Instagram. And basically, now you can start monetizing your content. And as you can see, there is already the ad payments that you can start having by. And there is also the branded content that you can see that you can set up branded content tools to start using the paid partnership label if in case of you have some partnership or some paid uh, content, etc. for more integrity, and that's it. And also there are many other programs that you can find of Instagram that allows you to get monetization on many types of activities that you can do on Instagram, like creating content, getting gifts, etc. etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.